Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two highly anticipated cameras from Fujifilm, the Fujifilm X-H2S and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. We'll dive into their features, performance, and more to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. When it comes to image quality, both the X-H2S and X-T5 deliver exceptional results. The X-H2S comes equipped with a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans5 stacked back-illuminated sensor, which offers expanded low-light capabilities and up to 14 stops of dynamic range. On the other hand, the X-T5 boasts a class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans5 hour CMOS sensor, ensuring maximum detail and sharpness across the native ISO range. Both sensors excel at minimizing moire and false colors, providing outstanding image quality for your photography needs. When it comes to design, Fujifilm has a reputation for delivering sleek and functional cameras. The X-H2S retains the classic X-series design, with easily accessible dials for quick and precise adjustments. It also features a separate layer for the sensor's circuitry, which contributes to its compact and lightweight body. On the other hand, the X-T5 also embraces the classic X-series design, providing intuitive dials for convenient control even when the camera is switched off. Additionally, it offers a 1.84 million three-way tilting LCD and powerful in-body image stabilization for enhanced flexibility. Both the X-H2S and X-T5 excel in video performance, making them ideal choices for videographers. The X-H2S stands out with its X-Processor 5, delivering lightning-fast performance for demanding shooting scenarios. It offers next-level enhancements in video and stills processing capabilities, as well as intelligent autofocus functionality that's 3x faster compared to its predecessor. Similarly, the X-T5 provides powerful image-making performance, ensuring it's ready for action with its advanced image processing algorithm and impressive in-body image stabilization. Whether you're a vlogger or a professional filmmaker, both cameras will impress you with their video capabilities. Price points are crucial factors to consider when purchasing a new camera. The Fujifilm X-H2S is priced at $2,499, while the Fujifilm X-T5 comes in at a slightly lower price of $2,199. It's important to note that pricing may vary depending on your location and any available promotions. Considering the features and performance offered by both cameras, the X-H2S justifies its higher price with its advanced sensor, lightning-fast processor, and exceptional video capabilities. However, if you're looking for a cost-effective option without compromising on image quality, the X-T5 provides a compelling choice. And there you have it, a detailed comparison of the Fujifilm X-H2S and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. We hope this video has helped you get a better understanding of these two exceptional cameras. Let us know in the comments below which one caught your attention. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.